Now, what are the categories of network topology? There are two categories of network topology. One is physical topology and second one is logical topology. Physical topology, it describes actual layout of the network transmission media. It defines the way the network looks. In logical topology, it describes the logical pathway a signal follows as it passes among the network nodes. It defines the data passes among the nodes. Physical and logical topologies can take several forms. Now, first we discuss a bus topology. Bus topology is a network type in where every computer and network device is connected to single cable. See, the figure shows a network topology, bus topology. Now, the features of bus topology is it transmits data only in one direction and every device is connected to a single cable. The benefits of bus topology, it is a cost effective. Cable required is least compared to other network topology. Used in small networks, it is easy to understand and it is easy to expand joining two cables together. Now, the drawback of this bus topology is cable fails, then the whole network fails. If the network traffic is heavy or nodes are more, the performance of the network decreases. Cable has a limited length. It is slower than the ring topology. Now these are the drawbacks of bus topology. Now next is a ring topology. It is called a ring topology because it forms a ring as each computer is connected to another computer, with the last one connected to the first, exactly two neighbors for each device. See, the figure shows a network topology. Now the first feature of network topology, a number of repeaters are used and the transmission is unidirectional. And the second feature of this topology is data is transferred in sequential manner, that is bit by bit. Now the benefits of this topology is transmitted network is not affected by the high traffic or by adding more nodes, as only the nodes having the tokens can transmit data. The second benefit of this topology is cheap to install and expand. Now the drawback of this topology is troubleshooting is difficult in ring topology. Adding or delete computers disturb the network activity, and failure of one computer disturb the whole network. Next is a star topology. In this type of topology, all the computers are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node and all other nodes are connected to the central node. See, the figure shows a star topology. And the feature of this topology is every node has its own dedicated connection to the hub and it acts as a repeater for data flow. Also, it can be used with twisted pair, optical fiber cable or coaxial cable. The benefit of this topology is fast performance with few nodes and low network traffic. Second benefit, hub can be upgraded easily. Next benefit, easy to troubleshoot. Next benefit, easy to set up and modify. And next benefit, only that node is affected which has failed, rest of the nodes can work smoothly. And the drawback of this topology is the cost of installation is high, expensive to use. If the hub is affected, then the whole network is stopped because all the nodes depend on the hub. And the last drawback, the performance is based on the hub, that it is depends on its capacity. These are the drawbacks of star topology.